One of the highest paying niches on YouTube right now is finance. Finance channels attract people who care about money, investing, and business. These viewers are valuable, which is why advertisers pay more to reach them. That's why finance videos earn much more per view than most other niches on YouTube. For example, an 8-minute finance video with just 100,000 views can earn between $2,000 and $5,000 or more. In many other niches, the same 100,000 views usually earn only $200 to $800. Let me show you proof. Bob Invest uploaded their very first video just 2 months ago and is already earning $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Casual Finance has uploaded only 11 videos, already passed 60,000 subscribers, and is earning $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Nick Invest posted their first video just 5 months ago, now has about 148,000 subscribers, and earns $11,000 to $33,000 every month. That's huge, and it's not luck. In this video, I will show you how to go from zero to a money-making YouTube channel in this niche. Watch till the end, so you don't miss the part that makes it work. Let's get into it. Step 1, getting solid video ideas and turning them into a script. Finance is one of the best niches on YouTube because it usually pays higher per view. The problem is, most people don't know what to talk about. Here's the easiest way. Don't guess. Use what's already working. Go to channels in the finance space and check what's performing best. For example, I'll use a channel like Nick Invests. Go to their page, click the Popular tab, and copy out the titles of the videos with the most views. You're not copying the video, you're just borrowing proven topic patterns. Next, paste those titles into ChatGPT and prompt it to generate fresh video ideas based on them. In seconds, you'll get a list of new topics that are similar in style but original, made to spark curiosity and keep people watching. I'll make available the prompt document in the video description. You can also access this document in my Telegram channel. Once you pick one topic, let's say number 11, renting versus buying in 2026, the answer, nobody likes, then you move to the script. Now prompt ChatGPT to write a full YouTube script on that topic. Fill in the placeholder with your chosen topic. Ask for a strong hook at the start, a clear structure, and a few curiosity moments so viewers stay to the end, and that's it. Now you have a proven topic and a ready-to-use script, and you're set for the next step. Step 2, creating the main character. With our script ready, the next step is visuals. But before we start generating scenes, we need one main character. This character will show up in every scene, so your content looks consistent and your channel starts to feel like a real brand. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT and a tool called Flova AI. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate random cartoon character descriptions. In a few seconds, it'll give you about 10 different character ideas. Pick the one that fits your style. Then we'll turn that description into an actual character image. Next, we'll turn that description into an actual image using Flova AI. Flova AI is an all-in-one platform for creating high-quality images and videos from simple text prompts. It brings image generation, video creation, and editing into one place, making it easy to produce cinematic visuals without advanced design or editing skills. I've dropped the link in the video description. Once you click the link and sign in, you'll be taken to the Flova homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a clean prompt box where all creations begin, along with recent projects and sample works that you can explore for inspiration. Flova allows you to create content in 2 ways. You can upload your own media files such as character image references, scripts, or sound effects, or you can simply type a detailed prompt and let the AI do the rest. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on typing a prompt and letting the AI handle the rest. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your character description, and before pasting it into Flova's prompt box, make sure to specify the aspect ratio you want. Then paste the full prompt. After that, click on Model, select Image, and choose an image model. Flova offers several powerful image models, including Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Midjourney Phi 7, and more. For this video, I'll be using the latest model, Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, because of its high quality and detailed results. Once everything is set, click Generate. Flova will take you to the storyboard page where it analyzes your prompt and creates a creative brief for the image. Review the brief, and if it looks good, click Confirm. Flova will then generate your images in just a few moments. When the images are ready, review the results and select the version that best fits your vision and download. Step 3. Generating images for every scene. Once your main character is ready, the next step is creating images and short videos for every scene in your script. To make this easy, we'll first use ChatGPT to break the script into scenes. Use your scene breakdown prompt, then paste your script into the script space at the end of the prompt. But don't paste the whole script at once. Like for best results, paste only 30 to 40 lines at a time. When ChatGPT finishes, paste the next 30 to 40 lines. This keeps the output clean and the scenes accurate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a scene-by-scene breakdown. For each scene, it includes 3 things: the exact line of your script, a detailed image prompt, and a matching video prompt. This is important because it makes editing much easier. You'll always know which visual is supposed to match each voiceover line. Now we're ready to generate the images in Flova. In the Flova prompt box, upload the main character image we created earlier as a reference. Then click on Model and select your image model. Again, I'll be using Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 3 Pro. Specify the aspect ratio and paste your first scene prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Just like before, you'll be taken to the storyboard page where Flova analyzes the scene prompt and creates a visual asset. Once you confirm the brief, Flova will generate the first scene of your story, strictly following your main character's details. Review the result, download it, and your first scene image is ready. Repeat this process for the second, third, and all remaining scenes until every scene has its corresponding image. By the end, you'll have a complete set of visuals ready to match your script, making it easy to move on to video assembly. Step 4. Animating the image scenes. With our image scenes ready, the next step is turning those images into video clips, and this will all be done in Flova AI. On the Flova homepage, go to the prompt box and upload the first scene image, then click on Model and switch to Video. Flova offers multiple video models including the new Video Q3 Pro, Grok Imagen Video, Sedence 1.5 Pro Audio, WAN 2.6, Kling 2.6 Audio, and OmniHuman 1.5 among others. For this video, I'll be using Kling 2.6 for its high quality output. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for the corresponding scene. Paste it into the Flova prompt box and click Generate. Flova will analyze your prompt and create a creative brief for the video. Review the brief, select your options, and click Next. Once all choices are made, click Confirm, and Flova will start building the storyboard for your video and develop the visual generation path and visual asset. One of the reasons I love Flova is that it asks for your confirmation at each stage before moving forward. In just a few moments, your first scene will be fully animated. Review the video, and if you're happy with it, download it. It's that simple. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes, and soon, every scene will be animated and ready to be assembled into your final project. Step 5. Generating voiceovers. Now that our video scenes are ready, it's time to create a high-quality AI voiceover, and we'll do this right inside Flova AI. This is exactly why I call Flova an all-in-one tool. It has everything you need, so there's no need to switch between different apps or platforms. On Flova AI's prompt box, click on Model and switch to Narration. Here you'll see text to audio options like 11 Labs and Dubao. For this tutorial, I'll be using 11 Labs, then head back to ChatGPT and copy your script and paste it into the prompt box and hit Generate. Just like before, Flova will create a creative brief for your voiceover, review it, click Next, choose your options, and click Confirm. In just moments, Flova will generate your storyboard and produce your voiceover. Once it's ready, listen to the audio.
Everyone says renting is throwing money away. But in 2026,
and if you're happy with it, download the file. Step 6. Editing the video. Now that all your video clips are ready, the final step is editing. Open CapCut, it's free, and I left the link in the description. Create a new project, import your voiceover, and drag it onto the timeline first. Next, import all the video clips and the voiceover you downloaded from Flova AI. Place them on the timeline in the correct order so the story plays scene by scene from the beginning to the end. Then line up each clip with the exact part of the voiceover it matches, so the visuals change when the voiceover changes. If you want, you can add simple transitions between clips to make everything feel smoother. You can also turn on auto captions, but for this video, I'm skipping captions. Once everything looks good, export the video in the highest resolution, and that's it. Your video is ready to upload.
Everyone says renting is throwing money away. But in 2026, that advice doesn't always work anymore. Buying a home today means paying way more than the price tag once you add interest, taxes, repairs, and maintenance.
Step 7. Creating your thumbnail. It doesn't stop once your video is finished. The thumbnail is what grabs attention and makes people click. Think of it as the cover of your video. If it looks boring, viewers might not even give your content a chance, no matter how good it is. The good news is you don't need any design skills. Here's how to create a strong thumbnail. First, go to a reference channel in your niche and take a screenshot of one of their best thumbnails. Drop that screenshot into ChatGPT, then paste the thumbnail prompt from the resource document and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a strong thumbnail prompt tailored for your video. Next, copy the generated prompt and paste it into Flova's prompt box. Choose your model, click generate, and follow the same process we used for your images and videos. In no time, Flova AI will create a polished, eye-catching thumbnail. Review it, download it, and your video is ready to go. If you want to try this yourself, you'll find the Flova link in the description. When you sign up using that link, you get 1,000 credits instantly, 500 plus another 500. Though this is limited to the first 500 users. You can also claim 500 free credits every single week just by logging in. On top of that, Flova has a referral program where you can invite up to 4 friends, and for every successful referral, you earn an extra 300 credits, and that's it. Script, visuals, voiceover, video clips, editing, and thumbnail. All done using a simple system and tools like Flova AI. I've shared the exact prompts and templates I use, so check the links in the description. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, hit subscribe. And if you found this helpful, leave a like. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now go upload your first video, because the fastest way to learn is by posting and improving with each upload.